Hello there, Scarlet Nation. For those that don't recognize the voice, I'm Miss Kent, and I'm going to take you through just kind of an introduction of Khan Academy and how to get to the assignments that myself or Miss Thorson provided for you for the next few weeks. So let's go ahead and take a look at the screen in front of us. This is what I see once I log in as a student. So the course that we selected is 7th grade. Even though this is the course that we had selected, the assignments that came from myself or Miss Thorson can actually be found right here in this side panel. So you're going to have to go over and click where it says assignments. Now that we're in the assignments, you'll see that there are many different upcoming assignments. It actually goes a couple of pages. So you're going to have to scroll or click to preview the next few pages. We're going to have you go at your own pace. Our goal is to have you work for about 30 minutes per day on statistics and probability. And the reason why we chose that is in the letter we sent home last week, Friday the 13th. If you want to know why we chose this topic. So if you look right here, this side right on the right tells you the status of your work. So once you complete a lesson, it'll tell you that, hey, you've completed this lesson. Then you're ready to start the next one. I'm going to actually look at this lesson I had already completed just to give you a little more information about that. So looking at this left side, this panel over here, you can tell I've actually completed it because of these symbols. I have a blue check mark, and the bottom line right here, that blue bar, shows that I've completely watched the video from start to finish. I tried to press play and then just skip ahead. It doesn't give you credit for that. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your lessons and you're not sure, like, why is this not working? Why is it not giving me credit? Well, you have to watch the videos from start to finish. So I'll show you what I mean here. I'm going to the next lesson. What I like to do is go to the lesson page, and then it gives me some information on this side. As you can see, I've already watched this first video, so I'm going to select the second one. This second video shows that, hey, I've started it, but haven't gotten all the way through it. So if I go like this, press play, well, I don't want to watch this video, so I'm going to go like that. Well, it's not giving me credit for finishing it. It's saying, we know that you skipped ahead. You actually have to watch the entire video to get the credit for it. Keep that in mind as you work, because I will not see on my teacher end that you've actually completed any lessons if that's what you keep doing. Other than watching videos, there's also opportunities for you guys to practice. On here, you can put in your answers. So they'll ask you questions right here. You flip a fair coin. What is the probability that it's heads? You're going to type in your answer, and we'll say it's 1 out of 7. Oops. You can use a calculator if you need to, but after you type in your answer, you can check it. They're like, oh, nope, not quite. Try again. So now I have to go back, fix my answer. Well, that's 1 out of 2. Sweet, I got it. Now I'm ready to move on. And you'll go through that for multiple different problems. For this question, or for this lesson, there are 7 problems total. And it's different for each of the different lessons. So that's just kind of a rundown of what you will be doing on your end. I'll show you what I see on my end. So now I'm in my teacher account. That was my student account. This is now my teacher account. I can see how many students have completed each of the different lessons. So that very first one that I had completed, 5 students have already done that. You can see that from there, 3 students moved on. And I can tell for each of the lessons how many are actually completing them or not. So I'll check this daily, see who's working, who's not working yet, and I'll be reaching out over the next couple weeks just to check in and see how you guys are doing. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out through email to myself or Miss Thorson. We will get you a response within 24 hours. All right, have fun with your distance learning. Bye.